TVS Apache Rtr engine oil change. Things required: an oil pan, a funnel, a tool, 17mm tool, then 1 liter recommended grade engine oil. This is the extension arm if we need it. First you need to locate the engine oil drain nut. It is below the engine. There it is. You need to move it anti-clockwise. So assembling the tools: the extension arm and the 17mm spanner. So turn it anti-clockwise. So let the oil fall into the drain pan. Avoid touching the used oil, it may cause irritation and skin infections. Now reinstall the drain nut again. As we have tightened the nut, keep in mind, do not over tighten it, it may damage the threads. Now remove the dipstick. If it's hard, you can even use plier. Add funnel to it. Add the engine oil. So the can is finished. Keep in mind, you should add exact 1 liter of oil. Now reinstall the dipstick by moving it clockwise. So that was how you can change the engine oil of TVS Apache Rtr. Thank you. This is Mandy, Newcity.